Hello beautiful soul. Today's energy infusion is about refilling the well. Clearing what drains you, restoring what nourishes you, and returning to your heart. It's based on a 3-card pull from 3 different card decks, flower essences, crystals, and plant medicine. This infusion holds the frequency of olive, the herb sage, and the beautiful crystal of Watermelon Tourmaline. Their combined message is restore, clear, and soften. So if you're open to receiving this infusion, set the intention that you will receive just what you need. Taken together, these 3 feel like a very grounded restore, clear, and soften combination. The essence of olive is often associated with deep replenishment after emotional, mental, and physical depletion. It points toward restoring inner reserves when someone feels overextended, tired, or running on empty. Infusing vitality, zest, and revival. Sage is often linked with energetic clearing and reset and discernment. It can feel like creating space, releasing what feels heavy, cluttered, or no longer aligned. Infusing insight and awareness to assist with navigating challenges. The silvery white light of sage shatters illusions as you undergo a great awakening. And water tourmaline. This beautiful pink and green crystal is often associated with heart soothing, emotional balance, and gentle self-compassion. It can support softening inner tension and reconnecting with steadiness in your heart. Infusing heart healing and activation, body regeneration, and accelerated healing. Relieving stress, balancing from emotional extremes, self-love, happiness, and access to the deepest parts of your heart. Forgiveness, and I love myself as I am. There's a combined healing message here, and this combination feels like clear what drains you, restore what nourishes you, and return to your heart. You may be carrying emotional fatigue or subtle burnout, holding other people's energy for too long, feeling mentally full, scattered, or a bit emotionally tender. You may be needing both cleansing and replenishment, not just release. This infusion supports moving from depletion to renewal through releasing energetic overload, restoring your vitality by clearing the noise, refilling the well, and gentle heart restoration through consciously connecting to your heart. You may want to place your hand over your heart. Breathe in deep and slow. Be open to receiving the emotional healing qualities of your nervous system, settling emotions, having clearer boundaries, renewed inner energy, and coming back to yourself after giving a lot outward. If you feel called to, you may like to repeat after me. I release what drains me. I restore what strengthens me. And I return to the wisdom of my heart. You can come back to this infusion anytime you feel called.